Exercise number 9. Start. Sir, one of the issues that was raised was about the price of coal and of petroleum. Full stop. I must submit that the coal price has been recently raised because of the fact that we had to enter into the National Coal Agreement, which casts a burden on the exchequer to the tune of rupees 200 crores every year. Full stop. In fact, even the costs of inputs have also gone up. Full stop. Having regard to these two factors, we had to take a very painful decision of increasing the coal price. Full stop. Otherwise, the industry would have suffered like anything. Full stop. Next paragraph. On the petroleum side, the position as it stands is that there is no doubt, as in fact honorable members had made observations, that while production has gone up, prices have also gone up. Full stop. In fact, sir, in another context, I have given details to this house itself that if you compare the prices of petroleum with the prices as prevailing in various international markets, our prices are still cheaper. Full stop. At one time, when the House did want that we should reduce the prices, I had categorically said that whatever resources we build through the process, we plug back the money for the exploration and exploitation of oil. Full stop. We thought that by using these resources in exploration activities, we should try to become self sufficient by the end of the decade, which hopefully we are expecting. And if we are not going to be self sufficient, we shall undoubtedly be in troubled waters because we shall not be able to handle the economy in the proper perspective. Full stop. Therefore, sometimes a little sufferance becomes absolutely necessary in order to have the long term gains. Full stop. It would be very easy to take certain populist approaches in these matters, but in the long run, the nation suffers. Full stop. And it is precisely in this background that I would take this opportunity to urge to the various state governments and the electricity boards not to divert the money that have been allocated to the power sector, because in many a case I am finding that the sheer popularity various state governments and electricity boards are trying to divert the money allocated the power, which would in the long run affect the economy of the state itself. Full stop. I defend the right to set the economy on rails. Full stop. And